Welcome back. As I said in the previous lecture that we will discuss some important settings in our WordPress dashboard. So first of all, we will discuss WordPress dashboard login methods. Then we will activate our domain name. Then we will check the SSL certificate on our domain name. Then we will deactivate the coming soon page from our website. And then we will discuss some general settings in our WordPress dashboard. So first of all, we will discuss the WordPress dashboard login methods. So there are two methods for logging into your WordPress dashboard. The first method is to log into your Bluehost account. So type in your browser bluehost.com, and then here on the right side you will see this login button. So click on login. Now here provide your domain name or your email address, and then in the password field type your password. If you remember in the previous lecture, before installing WordPress, we set a password for our Bluehost account. So you will type that password here and then click on the login button. So this is our Bluehost account, and here you will see this login to WordPress button. So by clicking on this button, you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. So I will right click here and I will open it in a new tab. So we are now logged into our WordPress dashboard. So this was the first method for logging into your WordPress dashboard. And the second method to log into your WordPress dashboard is to type in your browser your domain name. So I will type here my website domain name, which is quickdropservicing.com, and then you will write here /wp-admin, and then you will press enter. Now here you will provide your WordPress username or email address, and then here you will provide your WordPress account password. But if you have noticed one thing, we have not yet created a username and a password for our WordPress account. So what we will do, first we will create a username and a password for our WordPress account. And for that we will go back to our Bluehost account. And here we will log into our WordPress dashboard from here. And here in our WordPress dashboard, we will scroll down. And here you will see the users option. So click on this. Now here click on the username. And then scroll down a little. And here you will see this username option. And here you will get your username. So you can copy your username from here. Remember, you cannot change your username, but you can copy it from here. So I will copy this username from here. And I will paste it here in the username field. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard. And here you will scroll down to the bottom. And here you will see the new password option. And if you click on set new password, so you can provide a new password for your WordPress dashboard. And then you can copy that password and you will paste it here in the password field. And then you will click on the login button. And we are now logged into our WordPress dashboard. So these are two methods for logging into your WordPress dashboard. Now the next thing is to activate your domain name. So when you log into your WordPress dashboard for the first time, and if you visit your website, and for visiting your site you will hover over here, and then you will right click on visit site, and you will open this in a new tab. So here you can see my domain is active, quickdropservicing.com, but you will see something different like this. You will see a random domain name. And this is because you have not yet confirmed the email that Bluehost has sent you. So log into your email account, and there you will see an email from Bluehost. Just click on the confirmation link inside that email, and once you confirm the email, then your domain will start working within few hours. Now the next thing is checking the SSL certificate on your domain name. So we will go back to our website. And here you will click on the domain name, click again, and you will see here HTTPS. If you see HTTPS, that means the SSL certificate is installed on your domain name. But if you see only HTTP, that means the SSL certificate is not installed yet on your domain name. So you will send an email to Bluehost and you will ask them to install the SSL certificate on your domain name. In most cases, the SSL certificate will be installed automatically on your website, but sometime when you don't see an S with HTTP, then you have to send an email to Bluehost and let them install the SSL certificate on your website manually. And once they install the SSL certificate on your domain, then you will see HTTPS with your domain name. Now the next thing is deactivating the coming soon page from our website. So if you go to our WordPress dashboard, so here in your WordPress dashboard you will see the notification coming soon active. This means that when someone visits your website, they will see the coming soon message on your website. Because your website is new and there is nothing on your website, so Bluehost by default set the coming soon page on your website. If we go to our website from a different browser, so I will open a different browser and here I will type in my domain name. So you can see here a new WordPress site coming soon, and this is set by default by Bluehost. So if you want to deactivate this page, so you will go to your WordPress dashboard and here you will hover over on Bluehost and then you will click on settings. Now here on the right hand side you will see this coming soon page option. Just turn this off. Now if we go back to our website and if I refresh this page, so you can see now the coming soon page is gone. Now we will do some general settings in our WordPress dashboard. So we will go back to our WordPress dashboard and here we will scroll down to settings. So under settings, click on general. Now the first thing here is to write a title per your website and a tagline or description per your website. If you remember during WordPress installation, I told you that you can provide a title and description per your website from your WordPress dashboard. So you can provide a title and description from here. And then in the WordPress address URL and in the site address URL, make sure it is HTTPS. By default it is HTTP, but you will add an S with HTTP in the WordPress address URL and in the site address URL. But before doing this, make sure that the SSL certificate is active on your domain. And once the SSL certificate is active on your domain, then write an S with the HTTP here. Then scroll down. And here you will see the anyone can register option. So if you are creating a website where user will sign up on your website, then you must check this box to allow anyone to register on your website. For example, in the next section of this course, we will be creating a drop servicing website where we will allow the users to sign up on our website. So for that, we must check this box to allow users to sign up on our website. Then scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now the next thing is to go to Settings and under Settings click on Permalinks. Now scroll down a little and select the radio button for post name because this is good for the SEO of your website. Then scroll down and click on Save Changes. So these were all the important and initial settings for the WordPress dashboard. In the next lecture, we will discuss how to create pre-business email accounts.